Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Talk channel, where learning English is simple, practical, and fun. I'm Anna.
And I'm Leo. Hi, everyone. It's so wonderful to be here with you today. I'm feeling very happy and full of energy.
I can see that. You look very energetic today, Leo. Did you have a good morning?
I did. I had a big breakfast, some eggs and toast, and of course, a very good cup of coffee. You know me, Anna. Coffee is very important in my life.
Yes, I know. Coffee is your best friend.
It truly is. But today, we are not talking about coffee. We are talking about something even more important.
That's right. Today we are talking about our other best friends, our words.
Oh, I like that. Words are our friends. So what is our topic for today's episode?
Today we are talking about essential English phrases for daily conversations. These are phrases you can use every single day.
That is such an important topic. Sometimes when people learn English, they know many words, but they don't know how to use them in real conversations.
Exactly. You might know vocabulary, but when someone talks to you at a shop, at work, or at a party, you suddenly feel nervous.
Yes, your mind goes blank. You forget everything.
That happens to many learners. So today, we want to help you feel confident in everyday situations.
I love that. I am ready to learn. But wait, Anna, before we start our conversation, we need to ask our listeners for a small favor.
Oh yes, you're right. Everyone, if you enjoy learning with us here on the English Talk channel, please click the like button right now. And don't forget to subscribe to the English Talk channel.
It really helps us create more episodes for you. Okay, now I am really ready. So Anna, what is the first phrase for today?
Let's start with greetings. We all know hello and how are you, but in real life, people use many other greetings too.
That's true. I often hear people say, "How's it going?"
Yes, how's it going is very common. It's friendly and relaxed.
Does it mean the same as "How are you?"
Yes, very similar, but it feels more casual.
So if I see my friend Tom, I can say, "Hey Tom, how's it going?"
Perfect.
And how do I answer?
You can say, it's going well, thanks, or just good, thanks.
That's easy. I like simple answers.
Another common greeting is, what's up?
Oh yes, I hear that in movies all the time. Is it okay for everyone?
It's better for friends or people you know well. It's very informal.
So I should not say "What's up" to my boss.
No, probably not. For your boss, you can say, how are you today?
Okay, "What's up" for friends, "How are you" for formal situations.
Exactly. You are learning fast.
Thank you. Now what about being polite? I know English culture is very polite.
Yes, politeness is very important. Of course, we all know please and thank you.
Those are the kings of English.
Yes, but there are more. For example, when you want to ask a question to a stranger, you can start with, excuse me.
Like, "Excuse me, where is the station?"
Exactly. So, excuse me is like a polite hello before a question.
What if I make a mistake, like I step on someone's foot?
Then you say, I'm sorry.
And if I didn't hear someone?
You can say, sorry, with a question sound.
Oh, so sorry means "Can you say that again?"
Yes, and you can also say, could you repeat that, please?
That sounds very polite. Could you repeat that, please?
Yes, it's a great phrase. Never be afraid to ask someone to repeat.
Sometimes people speak very fast. I need that phrase.
Everyone does.
Now, what about shops and restaurants? I always feel nervous there.
That's normal. Let's practice. In a shop, you can say, how much is this?
I point to a shirt and say, "How much is this?"
Exactly.
And if I want to buy it, I say, "I'll take it."
Perfect.
At a cafe, I can say, "Can I have a coffee, please?"
Yes, that's much better than saying, give me coffee.
Yes, "give me" sounds angry.
Can I have is polite and friendly.
And when I finish eating, I say, "Can I have the check, please?"
Yes, or can I have the bill, please? Both are okay.
I like that. I feel more confident already.
Good. Now let's talk about offering help.
I can say, "Do you need help?"
Yes, or can I help you with that?
That sounds kind.
And if someone helps you, you say, "Thank you so much."
And they say, "You're welcome," or "No problem." I love "no problem." It sounds relaxed.
It does.
Now, Anna, what if I want to show I am listening? I don't want to stay quiet like a statue.
Great question. In English, we use small phrases to show we are listening.
Like and oh?
Yes, and also phrases like, "I see," "Really?" and "That's interesting."
I see means I understand.
Exactly.
And really shows surprise.
Yes, it keeps the conversation alive.
And if something is good, I can say, "That's great," or "That's awesome."
Perfect.
I feel like a real English speaker now.
You are. You just need practice.
Practice is the hard part.
You can practice at home. Talk to yourself.
Talk to myself?
Yes, practice phrases out loud.
Okay, maybe I will talk to my coffee cup.
That works too.
Now, let's talk about saying goodbye.
Good idea. Instead of only saying goodbye, you can say, "See you later."
Or "see you soon."
Yes, or "Have a nice day."
I hear that at the supermarket.
It's very common.
I also like "take care."
That's beautiful. It shows you care about the person.
Now, let's imagine a situation.
Okay.
I am at a party. I see someone new.
You walk up and say,
"Hello, I'm Leo. What's your name?"
"Perfect."
They say, "I'm Maria."
And you say,
"Nice to meet you, Maria."
"Excellent."
Then it's quiet. What do I say?
Ask a simple question. Do you like the music? Or how do you know the host?
That's easy. Or it's a great party, isn't it?
Exactly.
Simple phrases are powerful.
Yes, you don't need big, difficult sentences.
I like that. Keep it simple.
Now, imagine you are at work. Your colleague asks, "What do you think?"
If I agree, I say, "I agree with you."
Yes.
If I'm not sure, I say, "I'm not sure about that."
Very polite.
Better than saying, "You're wrong."
Definitely. And if I want to disagree politely, you can say, "I see your point, but..."
That sounds professional.
It is.
Now let's imagine I go to a friend's house for dinner.
You ring the bell.
My friend opens the door. I say, "Hi, thank you for inviting me."
Very good.
I give a small gift and say, "This is for you."
That's lovely.
Inside, I say, "You have a beautiful home."
That's a compliment.
Compliments are powerful.
Yes, you can also say, "The food is delicious," or "I like your shirt."
I want to be a conversation magician.
You already are.
Thank you, Anna. You are a great teacher.
That's a very nice compliment. Thank you.
See? Compliments work.
They really do.
We talked about a lot today.
Yes, greetings, politeness, shops, restaurants, work, parties, and compliments.
It was a busy episode.
But very practical.
And remember, you don't need to be perfect.
Yes, just try.
Communication, not perfection.
Exactly.
Let's quickly remember the main phrases.
Okay, greetings, how's it going, and what's up?
Politeness, "Excuse me, sorry, could you repeat that, please?"
In cafés, "Can I have a coffee?" and "Can I have the check?"
Listening phrases, "I see," "Really," and "That's great."
Goodbyes, "See you later," and "Take care."
Wow, that's a lot of useful English.
It is.
Now we have a question for our listeners.
Yes, tell us in the comments, what is your favorite English phrase?
Or tell us about a time you used one of these phrases.
We love reading your comments.
And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the English Talk channel.
Your support helps us create more lessons for you.
Thank you so much for learning with us.
See you in the next episode.
Take care, everyone.
Have a nice day. Bye.